Today again on our channel we found the best bread machine for you, the most loved and high-performing one on the market. So, get ready for a culinary revolution that will change your mornings and evenings forever. Imagine barely getting out of bed or coming home after a busy day, being greeted by the irresistible aroma of fresh bread, perfectly crispy, made with love in your own kitchen. And all of this thanks to an exceptional innovation, the Moulinex home bread mini bread machine. Baguette. Click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features. See the thousands of customer reviews and order yours right now. This Moulinex mini bread machine is the perfect tool for creative cooking enthusiasts and fresh bread lovers. Whether you're an aspiring chef looking to diversify your creations, or simply a lover of good bread who wants to enjoy crispy baguettes at home, this machine offers you an unparalleled culinary experience. It's much more than just a bread machine, it's an invitation to indulgence, culinary creativity, and family sharing. Equipped with 16 automatic programs, this revolutionary machine will allow you to create an endless variety of delights. From classic breads to crispy baguettes, as well as delicious cakes, homemade pasta, delicious pizzas, and even homemade jams that will melt in your mouth. Imagine yourself in front of an intuitive screen, displaying the selected settings, ready to delight your whole family with creations ranging from bread to delicious baguettes. Equipped with special baguette plates, this machine allows you to make up to 8 perfectly golden mini baguettes. In 2 batches, bread lovers will appreciate the 3 crust color settings and the 3 weight adjustments for breads ranging from 750 gram to 1.5 kilo, satisfying all cravings. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Speaking of cravings, how about waking up to the sweet aroma of a freshly baked loaf ready to be enjoyed at breakfast? Thanks to the delayed start function, the bread machine fits into your schedule to provide you with an even more personalized experience. Moreover, Moulinex's commitment to sustainability and repairability is another aspect to commend. With a 15-year repairability guarantee, you can be sure that your investment in the home-bread baguette is a responsible choice, contributing to environmental preservation and waste reduction. And, as if that weren't enough, the ease of use is at the heart of this machine. Add your ingredients to the bowl, select the desired program, and let the bread machine do all the work. From kneading to baking, even cleaning is a breeze thanks to the removable non-stick bowl that's dishwasher safe. So don't miss the chance to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality, and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility of the programs. With its 16 automatic programs, this bread machine offers exceptional versatility, allowing you to prepare a variety of bakery and pastry products effortlessly. Advantage number 2, special plates for baguettes. The specific plates for baguettes and dedicated baking accessories allow you to make up to 8 crispy mini baguettes in 2 batches, adding an artisanal dimension to your creations. Advantage number 3, ease of use. The intuitive interface and delayed start make the machine very easy to use, offering the possibility of enjoying fresh bread at any time, whether it's for breakfast or when you get home from work. Advantage number 4, commitment to sustainability. Moulinex's commitment to repairability for 15 years contributes to environmental preservation and waste reduction, thus reinforcing the product's durability. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantages: bulkiness. With dimensions of 30.6 x 48.8 x 38 cm and a weight of 7.6 kg, the machine can take up significant space in the kitchen, which can be a drawback for smaller areas. Disadvantage number 2, high power. While the 1650 watts of power is necessary for the machine's performance, it's important to keep in mind that it can lead to higher energy consumption, higher compared to less powerful models on the market. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the opportunity to get this wonderful mini bread machine at the best price and discover thousands of reviews. Enthusiastic clients, click the link below to order your Moulinex home bread baguette right now and give your kitchen a touch of daily culinary magic. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon to discover some new exceptional products together.